He's really good cat. Very special, very nice animal, very cuddly, very friendly. But apparently he's fighting a lot with the cat in the garden and in the outdoor. And he really loves to come inside the home and live with human. He really loves the company, having company with the human. So and enjoying his time with his human. But unfortunately, we cannot provide him home now, and he's 3 years old almost. Very good cat, very friendly. But apparently, they dump him because of fighting with other cat, and so we can just maybe find a very good home for him. He's a healthy cat. He's a very nice cat, and he might get a home without any cat inside and to live very happy forever.